Well, welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is chip shop style battered cod. As normal, the full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First we make the batter. Simply put the flour, baking powder and salt to taste in the bowl. Then add sparkling water splash at a time until a nice gloopy consistency is achieved. This amount of ingredients will actually make enough batter for 2 or 3 fillets of fish. So you can scale up or down the amounts depending on how many pieces of fish you intend to fry. If you're not sure what the word gloopy means, the batter should look something like this. Between me and you, I think that batter's a tad too thick, but my wife's in a strange mood, so I'm not telling her. Yeah, call me a coward if you want, but even police dogs cross the road to avoid my wife when she's in a bad mood. Next we move on to the fish. Season the fish on both sides with salt and pepper and give it a liberal dusting with flour. Then when you're ready to cook, heat enough oil to deep fry in a suitably sized pan to a temperature of 160 to 170 degrees C. Then when the oil is up to temperature, coat the fish in the batter well and gently place into the oil. Continue to cook in the oil for 3 to 4 minutes. Then turn the cod over and continue to fry for a further 3 to 4 minutes. And then you're ready to serve. Though it pains me to admit when the wife is right, the batter wasn't too thick, it was crispy all the way through and not soggy at all. So she wins, again. And there's absolutely no prizes for guessing the best way to serve this fish. Still don't know? With chips and mushy peas, of course. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. And hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.